Good evening, everyone. I'm Victor Gutierrez, and today the learning objective I will be discussing is describing a motor unit, the recruitment of motor units, and the relationship to their control of the movement. So, pretty much, a motor unit is a fundamental component of the neuromuscular system, and it's responsible for controlling your muscles and moving them. So, it pretty much consists of a motor neuron and the muscle fibers it incorporates. Motor units are the building blocks of voluntary muscle control, meaning like motor units are the pretty much the building blocks of us as humans being able to move our muscles and contract them. And it's allowing the brain and the nervous system to regulate the force and precision of how we how strong our muscle contraction is, obviously with ATP and all that. But here's a breakdown of the key components. For one, the motor neuron is each motor unit is connected to a motor neuron, which is a nerve cell originating from the spinal cord or your brain. Motor neurons transmit electric signals from the central nervous system to muscle fibers. These neurons vary in size. Some are larger motor neurons than others. It just depends on what they're controlling in the muscle fibers and the amount of force is being generated during the contraction. Whereas smaller motor neurons control fewer muscle fibers. Second is muscle fibers. The motor neuron branches out to innervate a group of muscle fibers within a specific muscle. Third is the all or none principle. Motor neurons activate muscle fibers using the all or none principle, meaning that when a motor neuron receives a strong enough signal from the nervous system, all the muscle fibers in it will contract simultaneously. It's kind of like the threshold stimulus, kind of. And then you have the recruitment of motor neurons to control muscle force and movement precision. And the nervous system recruits motor units in a systematic manner, a process known as motor unit recruitment. Then we have the motor control. The brain and nervous system play a central role in coordinating motor unit recruitment and muscle contractions. Motor commands originate in the brain and they travel down the spinal cord to activate motor neurons. So in summary, motor units are the basic function of the neuromuscular system, and they consist of motor neurons and muscle fibers, and they work together. The recruitment of motor units is a critical process in controlling muscle movement. But thank you. I hope you guys have a good rest of your week.